Alright, look. Say, maiden voyage of the Starship Chrome Dome Gnome.
Maiden the voyage of the unknown dome.
The unknown Dome Gnome. Pop. Careful with that axe, Eugene. Okay. There is Stefan, future rocket scientist or dishwasher. That'll never work again.
Okay, put the key in.
Put the key in.
Okay, tell me if there's a light. Okay, whenever I get the one, press the button, right?
Alright.
Want me to get it out of the scene for you guys?
We're good.
You're fine. Rocket launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Whoa. And the wind is carrying her, so she's going to the
Nice.
Nope, he's in the field. Hey!
He almost brained himself.
I told him to stay out of the field.
Alright, good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Woo! Hey. There you go.